You won't believe these snakes actually exist. Snakes are weird, but these snakes will surely blow your mind. The zombie snake plays dead in an amusing survival technique called the hognose snake. It will feign death by opening its mouth, rolling over on its back, and writhing around. And if turned over onto its belly, it will immediately roll again onto its back. According to urban myth, a hognose snake can mix venom with its breath and kill a person from a distance of 25 feet. This, however, is not true. Hognose snakes are not poisonous. They might strike repeatedly but rarely bite. If you ever come across this snake, make sure you stay more than 10 feet away from it, because this is the spitting cobra. It doesn't just bite. It spits venom as far as 10 feet, and it doesn't just randomly shoot. Rather, spitting cobras consciously take aim, directing their spray as close as possible to the eyes and face of their target. Its venom can blind you if it lands in your eyes. The giant anaconda gets its name from the Tamil word anaconda, which means elephant killer. Though they are not known to prey on elephants, they have an impressive diet. This underwater monster will stealthily take down wild pigs, deer, dogs, birds, turtles, capybara, caimans, and even jaguars. Next time you're in a Southeast Asian rainforest, keep an eye on the treetops. You might just spot one of these flying snakes that will take your breath away. While flying snakes don't actually fly, these amazing reptiles launch themselves from high tree branches, gliding gracefully using their sleek bodies and covering impressive distances. They blend seamlessly into the treetops due to their iridescent scales. As they travel between treetops in the air, they move like waves, adjusting their direction. Their aerodynamic body shape allows them to flatten their rib cages and create a concave cross-section of their bodies. This deadly snake is one hell of a sprinter. The black mamba can move at a speed of 12.5 miles per hour. To put that in perspective, the average speed of an adult human is 8 to 12 miles per hour. So if a black mamba chases you, we wish you Godspeed, because this snake is capable of striking at considerable range and can deliver a series of bites in rapid succession. Its venom contains fatal neurotoxins, and the snake is responsible for an estimated 20,000 deaths yearly. These amazing snakes can swallow eggs 3 times the size of their own head. They have no teeth, so they can fit eggs in their mouth and swallow them whole without breaking them. Egg-eating snakes smell with their tongue and are able to tell whether an egg is ready to eat or not. They have large, extremely flexible jaws which they wrap around the egg. They move the egg into their stomach using muscular contractions, and bony protrusions inside the egg-eating snake crush the egg. The shell is completely regurgitated after this. They climb trees to hunt for eggs, and sometimes dozens of egg-eating snakes can be found in a single tree. Many animals use camouflage to trick their prey, but this snake is on to a much more advanced game. The spider-tailed horned viper has a tail with its end shaped like a spider, so much so that it can deceive even humans. It uses this tail to bait birds hunting for insects, waiting for the bird to peck at its tail, mistaking it for a spider. The snake attacks the bird in a flash. The hapless bird becomes itself a prey to the snake. But that's not all. With its rough, ridged scales that resemble the glittering hills of gypsum and limestone, the body of the snake blends seamlessly into its surroundings. The spider-tailed horned viper is a venomous snake found in Iran, also known as false horned vipers. These snakes are one of the wildest miracles of natural selection. Subscribe to us to see more of the wonders of nature.